Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. So my dear students, as you already know that we are on number 11 and today is its 4th lesson. And do you remember the name of your unit? Yes, very good. The name of our unit is My Body. Very good. So before moving on towards our lesson, let's quickly recap what we have done in the previous lesson. Quickly answer a few questions and then we will move forward. Okay, very easy. You have to name your 5 senses. Your 5 senses. Very good. Sense of sight. Excellent. Sense of touch. Very good. Sense of hearing. Excellent. Sense of taste. Very good. And sense of smell. Excellent. So these are your 5 senses. Touch, smell, sight, hearing and taste. Very good. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly look at here what is there. So these are your senses and they are doing different things. Like your nose is smelling, your eyes are reading, and your ears are listening to the sounds, and your mouth is tasting. My dear students, जो आपकी different senses हैं, जो आपकी 5 senses हैं, वो आपके इन body parts के साथ related है. और आज हम यही पढ़ने वाले हैं कि your 5 senses are related to your different body parts. So my dear students, let's quickly look at today's student learning outcome, which is given page number 81. And the SLO is identify their body parts which help them to taste, touch, smell, hear and see. So today you're able to identify those body parts which are related to your 5 senses. जो आपकी 5 senses हैं, उनके साथ जो parts आपके related हैं, आज हम उन सब के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Before that, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. So, Allah says in Quran, it is He who has made you and made for you hearing and vision and hearts. Little are you grateful. So my dear students, अल्लाह ताला जो है ये हम पहले भी इस्लामिक पर्सपेक्टिव डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि आपकी 5 सेंसेस जैसे कि उनमें से विजन है, आपके देखने की सलाहियत, आपके सुनने की सलाहियत, आपका दिल और आपके डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स जो हैं, इन सब को अल्लाह ताला ने बनाया है. लेकिन हम इंसान जो हैं अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा नहीं करते या फिर बहुत ही कम शुक्र अदा करते हैं. तो हमें चाहिए कि वी मस्ट ऑल बी एक्सट्रीमली थैंकफुल टू अल्लाह's blessings. My dear students, some pre-reading questions before we move on towards our today's lesson. So my dear students, you have to guess the body parts जिनके साथ आपकी 5 senses जो हैं वो related हैं. So you have to look at me before you have to guess. Sense of sight. Sense of sight. So which body part I am using to look around? Quickly tell me. Sense of sight. Yes, eyes. Very good. Next is sense of smell. So where I am smelling from? You have to guess the body part. Yes, nose. Very good. Now sense of touch. So how do I feel the touch? I don't feel the touch just on my hands. I can feel the touch on all over my body. Okay? So skin. Skin is the body part which feels the touch, and you have skin all over your body. आपकी पूरी body पे skin है और आपको पूरी body पे कहीं पे भी touch करें, so you will feel that. Very good. Now sense of taste. So sense of taste. Yummy. So where do I taste from? From my tongue. Very good. So these are your some senses, and again another sense of hearing. So where do I hear from? Sense of hearing. My ears. We hear from our ears. So these are the body parts related to the 5 senses. Okay? Now my dear students, Pause the video and open page number 84 in your books. Page number 84. So my dear students, I hope everybody has opened page number 84. So today we will read this. So this is and the body parts which they are related to. Okay, you have to put the fingers where I'm reading, but before that you have to look at all the pictures. This boy is eating what? An ice cream. And from where he is tasting it? From the tongue. This boy is smelling a flower. And from where he is smelling it? From which body part? Nose. Very good. He is hearing a sound. So from where he is hearing it? From the ears. Very good. He is touching his cat. So from how do we feel the touch? From the skin on our hands and on our body. And he is looking at a ladybug on a leaf. And how is he looking at? From his eyes. So my dear students, I have just showed you or told you about the pictures and how the senses are related to different body parts. Now let's quickly read the passage. You have to put your fingers where I will read. Taste is sensed by tongue. Taste is sensed by tongue. Smell is sensed by nose. Smell is sensed by nose. Sound is sensed by ears. Sound is sensed by ears. Touch sense belongs to hands and skin. Touch sense belongs to hands or skin. Sight belongs to eyes. Sight belongs to eyes. So my dear student, you have just read about the 5 senses and the body parts they are related to. These body parts are called sensory organs. What are they called? They are called sensory organs. आपकी eyes जो है, they have sight organs. आपकी nose जो है, this is a smell organ. Your ears are hearing organs. तो इनको हम organs कहते हैं. Your skin is a touch organ because it feels touch. And your tongue, it is a tasting organ. Is that clear? तो organ क्या है? कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो कि आपकी सराउंडिंग की चीजों को सेंस कर सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं, टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, स्मेल कर सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर नाउ? Okay, my dear students, so the sense organ, ear hears, eyes see, tongue tastes, and your nose smells, and your skin on your hands and on your body, it feels the touch. So these are called sensory organs. So students, let's quickly move forward and let's do an activity. This is a very fun activity. It is given on page number 84 under teacher's note, and it will be supervised by the teacher. And I will tell you how to do this activity. Let's check out what are the different commands given here. Prepare flashcards of 5 sensory organs. I have already prepared flashcards of 5 sensory organs. Next, one set for each group of 5 members. So teachers can divide the students in the class into 5 groups or according to their class strength. Next, provide a worksheet or a chart. I have made a chart paper here, as you can all see, comprising of functions of each sense organ. Members of each group will pick out a card, paste against its function on the provided sheet. So my dear students, as you can see here on this chart paper, I have pasted different senses which are sensed by different organs, and I have made the flashcards of the 5 sensory organs. To perform this activity, I have invited a guest here. He will come and introduce himself. Quickly come. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Please introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed. I am 6 years old.
Okay, very nice, Ahmed. Okay, Ahmed, you have to look towards the chart and you have to pick up a sensory organ from here. Pick up a sensory organ. For example, pick up this. Okay, where do you think? What is this? Quickly tell me.
Ears.
Okay, where will you paste it? Okay, I'll hold it for you. Where will you paste it? So, look at the pictures and then paste it. Okay, very good. With the speaker and a drum. You use your ears to hear that. Very okay. Now, what are these? Quickly tell me. Okay, you have to tell me what is this.
Eyes.
Eye sensory organ. Okay, I'll paste it for you. So, you look at the sun and the rainbow with your
Eyes.
Very nice. Sorry. Chart is coming off. Okay, now, what is this, Ahmed?
Hand.
And
Skin.
Skin, and it has skin on it. So, what do you touch with it? Okay, very nice. Now, Ahmed, you have to tell me what is this?
Nose.
Okay, what do you smell from it? Nice. Very good. Last but not the least, what is this? You have to tell me.
Tongue.
Tongue. Okay, mouth has the tongue. Very
Mouth.
good. And you taste your food from it. Thank you so much, Ahmed, for your help. You can sit down now. So, my dear students, you have just seen my guest that he has performed an activity here, that he has matched different things that he performs with different sensory organs like tongue, ears, nose, eyes, and a hands that has skin, which is basically the sense organ in it. Okay, my dear. Now let's quickly move forward. Let's do the practice here. Okay, for practice, I have made a worksheet for you. Your teacher will provide you in printed form with this worksheet. Worksheet number 3. And for this, what you need to do is you have to write down your name over here and your class over here. Quickly do it. I hope everybody has done it. So, my dear students, here you can again see different sensory organs and different pictures which are in front of it. You have to match the picture with the correct sense organ. That's easy. Quickly finish it. Let me do the first one for you. So, I can play with blocks and touch them with my hands. So, I have done the first one for you. You have to do the rest of them by yourself. Okay, let me take off the chart. Okay, my dear students, I hope everybody has done it. So, recheck your worksheet from here. I hope everybody has done it correctly. Pause the video and recheck it. I hope everybody has rechecked it and you have done it correctly. Now let's quickly move forward, my dear students. So for evaluation, I will ask a few questions and you have to answer them. Name the organ related to sense of touch. So which sense organ is related to touching? It is your skin on your hands and on your body parts. And next, name the organ related to sense of hearing. Sense of hearing. Which sense organ is related to sense of hearing? Your ears. Excellent. Name the organ related to sense of sight. So, when you are looking around, which sense organ do you use? You use your eyes. Excellent. Now, name the organ related to sense of smell and sense of taste. So, you have to name two organs here. First, sense of smell. That is nose, and then for sense of taste, it is your tongue. Very good. So my dear students, for your homework for today is given on page number 84. Page number 84, it is a homework activity number 4, and write the names of 5 senses and the organs they are related to. So notebook, what you need to do is you will open it, you will write down the names of your 5 senses which you already know that, and then you will also write down the sense organs which are related to those senses. Okay, this will be your homework. Next, you will do another activity, independent number 2. It is also given on page number 84. And in this activity, you will trace the dots to complete the sensory body parts. Color each organ as well. Draw 5 columns in your notebook. Label each column with one sense. Write down 3 things in each column that you identify using these senses. So my dear students, how you will perform this activity, that on page number 84 there are dotted sensory organs given, and you have to trace the dots and you have to complete the full picture, also color these pictures. Then what you need to do is you will open your notebooks and you will draw 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and name each column with one sense like sight, hearing, taste, touch and smell. And I have done the first one for you, that from sense of sight, what do? We watch TV, we read, we see different colors around us. So rest you will do it in your copies, in your homework. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood your homework. Now let's quickly move forward. What have I learnt today? Tongue has sense of taste. Skin has sense of touch. Nose has sense of smell. Ears have sense of hearing, and eyes have sense of sight. So my dear students, these are your senses and the sensory organs or the body parts which are related to these senses. So I hope you all are able to tell your 5 senses and the body parts which are related. So from sense of touch, which body organ, which body part or the sensory organ is related? Quickly tell me. Skin. And for hearing, you use your ears. For smell, you use your nose. For sight, you use your eyes. And then for taste, you use your tongue. So my dear students, I hope you all have enjoyed the video, you have done your worksheet and you have done the activity with me. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.